given. I think they have not got the homework, I think. Is it?
No, ma'am. I already done the homework.
Okay, so what about Jyoti? Jyoti,
Shika
did you
will.
get the homework?
Ma'am, Karan asked me, so I reply him. But I think I don't have. I have to take a number of Jyoti Didi from the group.
Yeah. From the group, you take her number and you can give it to her in her number also. No problem. But what about Jyoti? Jyoti, did you write the making sentence? Did you make sentence?
Ma'am, actually, yesterday I'm not attend this class.
Yeah, you didn't attend. Please try to attend, dear, because you are improving really. I'm really so happy with you. But you please try to attend daily till your time is there. Till I think you are up to April, so please try to come daily. And if you come, no, if you come up to April, then you will really see a great improvement in you. Yeah, that's the thing.
I know, ma'am, but actually, tomorrow and Friday and Saturday, I'm not attending class. Actually, I'm going to Agra, so I'm not
Okay, no
attend.
problem. But as much as possible as you can, you try to attend, because after that I think I don't have anything to say you how much the session is. I can request you that you try to attend the session. Okay.
I will.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so please tell me, Shikha, what's your answer about sentence making? Please tell me.
Ma'am, first word.
And
The
first of
first
all,
word.
you give her in her number. You please send her, or in the group you send the homework what I have given,
Homework.
and she will be making. She will make, and she will, when she'll be coming in the session, she will send it to me.
Ma'am, now.
Yeah, now.
Ma'am, between.
Between the five, I think only 5 words she didn't get.
Ma'am, I am sending on the group.
Yeah, in the group you send.
The word which you gave.
Yeah. Okay, Karan. In the meantime, you tell your answer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. First is under the radar. It means, sorry, ma'am. First is under the radar. UNDER, under. THERADAR, under the radar. It means गुप्त रूप से कुछ करना. Do something secretly. Its sentence. Yesterday I went somewhere with my friends under the radar. कल मैं कल मैं कहीं कल मैं अपने घर में कल मैं अपने घर में किसी को बिना बताए या फिर गुप्त रूप से अपने दोस्त के संग कहीं घूमने गया था. Second, comply. COMPLY. Its meaning आज्ञा मानना. And its sentence, my father is very happy to me because I always comply my parents' word.
My father is very happy with me.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Make the same sentence. Okay, ma'am. My father is very happy with me because I always comply my parents' word. मेरे पापा मुझसे बहुत खुश होते हैं क्योंकि मैं उनकी बातों को कभी टार नहीं करता या फिर उनकी हमेशा आज्ञा मानता हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज निबल. NIBBLE. निबल. इट्स मीनिंग हल्के से काट लेना. एंड इट्स सेंटेंस. Yesterday when I was doing my work, My brother irritate me and I nibble his hand. कल जब मैं अपना होमवर्क कर रहा था तब मेरा ब्रदर जब मेरा भाई मुझको सो तब मेरा भाई मुझको परेशान करने लगा तो इसलिए मैंने उसके हाथ पे हल्के से काट लिया. एंड नेक्स्ट इज nibble. Same likewise. Its meaning is कुतर कुतर के खाना. And its sentence is Shikha mother said while eating she nibbled the food. शिखा की माँ कहती है कि जब वो खाना खाती है तो वो कुतर कुतर के खाती है. Yes, ma'am.
She nibbles.
And
She
next is
nibbles.
seldom.
She nibbles the food. She nibbles the food.
Yeah, ma'am. I also made that. And then. And next fifth is seldom. कभी कभार. Its sentence I seldom to watch movies. मैं कभी कभार ही मूवी देखता हूँ.
I seldom
And
watch
next is
movies. I seldom watch movies.
okay, ma'am. I seldom watch movies. मैं कभी कभार ही मूवी देखता हूँ. And next is delicate. 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 Its meaning weak and कमजोर. And its sentence all the animal of jungle are delicated above lion. जंगल के सारे जानवर लायन के सामने बहुत ही जंगल के सारे जानवर लायन के सामने शेर के सामने कमजोर होते हैं. That's all, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Shikha, please tell. Only 6 minutes remaining.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first is under the radar. Means गुप्त रूप से कुछ करना. In English is to do something secretly. And the sentence is I did my work under the radar. In Hindi is मैंने अपना काम गुप्त रूप से किया था. And next is comply, meaning आज्ञा मानना. The sentence is I always comply elders. The meaning in Hindi is मैं अपने बड़ों की बात मैं अपने बड़ों की सारी आज्ञा मानती हूँ. हमेशा मैं अपने बड़ों की आज्ञा मानती हूँ. एंड नेक्स्ट इज निबल, मीनिंग हल्के से काट देना. द सेंटेंस इज द रैट निबल्ड माय थंब. इन हिंदी इज द चूहे ने मेरा अंगूठा हल्के से काट दिया. नेक्स्ट निबल मीन्स कुतर कुतर के खाना. एंड सेंटेंस इज शी इज निबलिंग द कुकीज बिकॉज शी डोंट वांट टू फिनिश देम. इन हिंदी इज वह बिस्किट्स को कुतर कुतर के खा रही है क्योंकि वह उन्हें खत्म नहीं करना चाहती. एंड नेक्स्ट शेल्डम मीन्स कभी कभार. द सेंटेंस इज शी शेल्डम ईट द फिश. इन हिंदी इज वह कभी कभार ही फिश खाती है, मछली खाती है. नेक्स्ट डेलिकेट मीन्स वीक एंड कमजोर. इन द सेंटेंस इज शी कांट पिक द डंबल बिकॉज शी इज डेलिकेट. इन हिंदी मीनिंग इज वह डंबल नहीं उठा सकती क्योंकि वह कमजोर है.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. And tomorrow we shall be learning uh, more vocabularies, 5 or 6 vocabularies, and also we shall be doing practice of speaking. Okay. So that's
Okay, ma'am.
okay. That's all for today.